Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, guys. It's Hot Wing Wednesday. Yeah, it's Hot Wing Wednesday. Yeah, it's Hot Wing Wednesday. But can you smell it? Oh my god, spicy barbecue wings, guys. Yes. Don't forget to tap and tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell. All right. I have spinach pie too. Okay. I'm not on a health kick, but you know, you could see it in my face. I've lost a couple of pounds. You never had a spinach cheese pie? Okay. We're gonna have it, and we're gonna have a talk about Ellen's ex-girlfriend and the crash. Oh my god. Anyway, Big Bertha's here. Big Bertha. Alright. Let's get this party started. I'm hungry, guys. I'm real hungry today. Okay? Why? Because I only ate once yesterday. What you saw me eat, that's all I ate. Okay? Drinking tea, drinking water. I drank this detoxing tea that helps you detox. And I don't know. Come on, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Yes. My salsa. I don't have Poland Spring today, guys. I have vintage salsa. Okay, plain salsa, no flavor. I got my hot sauce on deck. You got teco. Okay, now let's get into these wings though. So oh yes. Oh my god. All right, get it together, D. Get it together. Oh my god, the flavor. Wow. That was good. Anne Heche. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it was Ellen's ex-girlfriend. Okay, and the reason why because I wasn't going to, but I'm gonna tell you guys that there's no amount of money that can save you. The only one that can save you is Jesus Christ. That's it. Ain't no money. Okay, I don't know what's going on in her life, but all I know is that alcoholism, okay, it's been a big part of her life, and she crashed into somebody's house. Now she's in critical condition or in a coma, okay, fighting for her life. Wow, look at that. It's on YouTube everywhere. Wow. So sad. So sad. Guys, nothing's ever promised in life. Nothing. Nothing at all. That's why we need to be kind. We need to be kind to each other. We need to spread some positive vibes out into that universe. Okay, we need to spread love, okay? Because once you're gone, that's it. That is it. Oh, it's spicy too. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. Mmm. Mmm. Whoa. I don't know if Ellen has said anything on social media about, you know, the situation, but Ellen is on another, she's on another trip. Okay? She is in the Congo with the gorillas and her wife, enjoying her retirement or enjoying her life. That's what she's doing. Mmm. So healthy. Look at that. What I really want is the spinach. I don't care too much about the crust. I mean, it's good, but Mmm. Hot. Ooh. Oh my God, it's so good. So good. It's not salty. You can tell that it's healthy. All right. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. Mm. It's good. Mm. Yes, let's get this. Oh my goodness. This one's a big one. Oh my God. Wow. Big Bertha. It's spicy. Oh. Oh, I needed it. Oh, I needed it. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God, this is so good. Guys, don't forget to love on yourself. Okay? Don't forget to run with faith, guys. Okay? I live with this every day, guys, and it works. It works. Oh my God, the flavor on these wings. Oh. Oh my goodness. Like, some people can chew and walk at the same time. Let me tell you something. When the food tastes really good and my taste buds are dancing, okay, like the thoughts in my mind never come out clear. Oh my God, so flavorful. Mmm. Whoa. Wow. Guys, let me know how you're doing in the comments below, please. Okay? I'm doing amazing. Oh my God. Mm. I already know I'm gonna get the itis. I already know. I'm gonna get the itis. I always get the itis, Lord. Oh. Mm. Oh my God, why, Lord? Mm. Yes. Mm. That cayenne pepper. I put cayenne pepper. I put cayenne. Somebody's calling me. Jamaica, New York. Oh, my mouth is on fire. It's on fire. Oh. Come on. Ooh. So good. Jesus. And room for more. Hey. And room for more. Oh my God. But do you see that? Mm. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh. Mm. Done. It's so good. I'm full, guys. I'm full. But I want to eat the spinach. Mm. 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 So good. Everything was good today. Oh my God. Spicy. Ooh. Guys, you already know. I love you guys so, so much. Please believe that. Oh my God. From the bottom of my heart, guys. Keep your mind positive. Alright? If you're working on goals, continue working on your goals. Okay? Being consistent and persistent works. Okay, guys? I'll see you next time.